No, no, no! Too loud, too reckless, too ghetto. Mr. Lamar, do you really know how to play the game? Then tighten up!
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Well, yeah.
Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finessing on them with some counterfeit. Now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant. Matter of fact, I'm down with this. Duce with my boo-ray tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, knocking by you, the world with my pay stub. I know it's good, won't you sit it on my taste buds? Are you way too petty? Once you let me do the extras. Pull up on your block, then I break it down, then we call it Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM funk. Eat up your per diem, you just gotta hate them funk. If I quit your BM, I still ride Mercedes. If I quit the season, I still be the greatest.